Drones aren't just a side project in public safety anymore. They're becoming first responders. Departments across the country are using them to beat patrol cars to the scene, find missing people faster, and keep officers safer. That's why Drone Nerds is at the biggest event of the year for public safety aviation, APSCON 2026. It's both drones and helicopters under one roof at the newly expanded Broward County Convention Center, with over 1 million square feet of floor space. It's where public safety pilots come together to train, share tactics, and get hands-on with the technology that's redefining how fast help can arrive. So what is APSCON? It's training courses, drone as first responder programs, counter-drone tech, search and rescue, and a massive exhibit hall packed with the latest gear in the industry. And Drone Nerds is right in the middle of it. So let's talk to Marion and see a few things that are redefining what agencies are using across the country.
My name is Marion Raudales. I'm the Senior Account Executive at Drone Nerds, and we're gonna talk a little bit about the platforms that we have here exhibited today. Starting with the chasing unit, it is an underwater drone. We're bringing this to public safety entities for search and rescue operations underwater, cadaver recovery, inspections for boats at ports to prevent drug smuggling. Next to it, we do have the ACSL. Beauty about it, it does have interchangeable payloads, so you can go from a regular RGB camera to a thermal system to a NDVI platform as well. They just released the new Titan remote controller. More real estate on the screen. The package does come with 4 batteries. Next to it, we brought also the PhotoKite. It is a feather system used with public safety entities, fire rescue operations. The beauty about it, it is AC powered. So as long as you have it connected to power, you're able to have the drone in the air for extended periods of time. So another practicality that you have with the unit is that you do not require a Part 107 to actually operate it. We are going to have the Parrot Anafi UKR. This is the governmental edition, so it does have the availability to have 5G connectivity. The unit comes with XLR batteries, able to provide flight times of over 70 minutes. We also are demoing our tactical display systems. Any search and rescue operation that you need to bring over additional eyes to the pilot to help while on the operation, you're able to connect the HDMI output from any of the remotes into the system, and you have your tactical command display center ready to use. We are showing the clients that we work with third-party manufacturers that are able to bring accessories into the platforms. In this case, this is the LP12. It is a combo unit between speaker and light search. We have also JC available. Next to it, we have one of our VTOL systems. This VTOL system is the Trinity Pro model, manufactured by Quantum Systems. They are vertical takeoff, vertical landing units used for mapping scenarios. And with the advantage of AI and additional softwares, they can be used to actually search for a specific detail that you are trying to find within an area. On the side over here, we do have the rest tube for applications like we're here in Fort Lauderdale. This is a system that will deploy for water rescue operations. We have on the Midsize platforms, blue listed or NDAA compliant, the Free Fly Astro. In this scenario, we brought the camera that it's for mapping scenarios. They have the availability to have interchangeable payloads and customizations as well. With our smaller applications for clearing scenarios and situational awareness, we brought the anti-gravity unit that has the availability to have a 360-degree camera for SWAT situations, so you can send in the unit instead of risking the life of one of the officers. We provide as well the drone tag systems, which are drone identifiers. They will allow the police departments to know if there are drones in the area, and that way they're more aware of how can they proceed on their mission. Another mid-size platform that we brought in today is the IF-800 Tomcat by Inspire Flight. This one, again, it was brought in with a camera with a mechanical shutter for mapping scenarios, but they do have the availability to have thermal cameras, NDVI sensors, LiDAR systems. Whatever it is required, we can help with the incorporation or the customization of the payload. And finally, right behind it, we have the new Wintra Array, which is, again, another VTOL system that allows you to have interchangeable payloads from mapping cameras, survey quality cameras, LiDAR systems, thermal. It is a unit to cover longer territorial extensions. We hope that you come, start a conversation with us, let us know what are your needs so we can give you a suggestion, what is your better solution.